So in this video, we are going to discuss the difference between list and tuple. So list and tuple are exactly same, except small difference is there. So the major difference is list is a mutable data type and tuple is an immutable data type. What list is a mutable mutable data type and tuple is an immutable data type. Immutable. What is meant by mutable and immutable? Mutable in the sense once if we assign a values to a list, we can modify we can delete, we can insert, we can uh, uh, append an element to the list. So the list objects can be modified. That in the sense we will call list as a mutable data types. Where coming to the tuple, once we have assigned a values to the tuple, we are not having rights to change the elements inside a tuple. So tuple is a fixed data type. So that means immutable. Coming to the next, list is a group of comma separated values within square brackets. Like can define a list like inside square brackets we will give the elements. While coming to the tuple, we will give elements inside a parenthesis like 10, 20, 30. So if we assign the values inside a square brackets, it will be considered as a list. If we assign the values inside a parenthesis, then it will be considered as a tuple. Next, if the content is not fixed and kept on changing, then we should go for list. That means if in future we are going to change the values inside the variable, then we can consider a list data type. We can change elements, change objects. We can change objects. While coming to the tuple, we are cannot change the objects, right? The list functions are slower while compared to the tuple. Slower, fast. Coming to the list, it will consume more memory. Coming to the tuple, it will consume less memory compared to the list. Slower and faster iterations. Faster iterations. Used a list to perform insertion, deletion, can append, we can extend. So these all are functions we can use with the list. While coming to the tuple, there is only less functions, like we can use like index and slicing. So these are the main difference between the list and tuple. So what we have discussed, list is a mutable data type and tuple is an immutable data type. So you know right now what is mutable and immutable. Mutable is data type where we can change the objects inside the data type. Coming to the immutable, once we have assigned the objects, then we are not able to perform any changes. So it is fixed. Coming to the tuple, we can change objects and we cannot change the objects, right? Coming to List, it is slower iteration while comparing to the tuple, and tuple is faster than a list. And list consumes more memory while compared to the tuple, and tuple consumes less memory while compared to the list. So in list we can use this insertion, delete, append, extend, these operations, because list is a mutable data type. Coming to the tuple, there is only fixed, right? So we can use only index and slicing here. So that is the main difference between the list and tuple. Thanks for watching.